Hello friends, in this video I gonna show you how to remove all page breaks in Word in just one click. So guys, if you have a large document and there are some page breaks and you want to remove in just one click, so follow some easy steps. Firstly, in Home tab, click on this paragraph mark symbol. So now you can see some page break. This one, this is the second one, and it's a third one. So if you want to remove, click on this drop down underneath editing, then click on replace. Now move your cursor in find what, then click on special. Here you will find some option to remove break like manual line break, manual page break, and there are some other type of break. So if you want to remove manual page break in just one click, so select it. So you will see it's written M. So leave empty, replace with, then click on replace all. That's it. So like this guys, you can remove page breaks in MS Word in just one click. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.